You want to make sure your boat is secure. An international boat theft ring has surfaced.
New teenagers tried breaking into those boats again.
Breaking news out of Hialeah, where a 31-foot boat was taken.
Okay, we got a Hydra Sport. They went ahead and climbed up here in the middle of the night of 6:30 and busted out his garment equipment. They stole it. So he's in the process of getting it replaced. Meanwhile, he gave us a call, and we ended up installing the alarm system in the vessel. And he wanted an alarm, of course, which is the only one I recommend on boats. If somebody opens up, normally we try to protect any compartment doors that access the equipment from the rear, and also it's going to have an impact sensor that will pick up if they use a crowbar and they start busting this thing, which they end up doing anyway. See, they end up messing up this whole thing, cracking it, so he's probably going to need a new one. So yeah, and the guy wasn't as neat as possible. He, instead of unplugging things, he kind of cut the wires of every unit, which I don't know why somebody would do that, but anyway, so then the way it works is if the alarm fires off, he'll get an alert on his phone. Anyway, in the United States, it comes with GPS. If the boat gets moved from here, he's going to get an alert on his phone. It comes with a fob that he's able to arm and disarm it in the event that the phone battery dies out and he's in the middle of the marina or whatnot. And from the app on the phone, you can always give me a second. Let's open up the phone. From the app, you're able to arm it. Okay, that arms the unit. You can disarm it. Okay, it gives you GPS. It gives you the tower antenna on the top. It gives you the signal of the unit. I'm gonna go ahead and set off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. We're gonna go ready to open this door here, and it's gonna fire off the alarm. See, he already got the alert. Okay, and it gives you a push notification, an email, and an alert. So yeah, it gives you here's a text message. It gives you an email, and it gives you a push notification on the phone. See how fast it came in? The minute it fired off, he already got the alert instantly. And then if you want to check it, you can always hit this little guy here and it gives you the report of everything that went on. This is a couple times that we did some testing, and this is the one that we just trigger right now. Let's go ahead and clear this anyway, so he can have it fresh for next time. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to test out the impact sensor. I just armed it. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the boat in a second here. We already got the next one here. Now. Yeah, you just got the second alert right now. So you see how sensitive it is? And you can adjust it. We like to always show the customers where we mount the sensor so he can adjust it himself. It's very easy, just turning a dial, less and more, so he can find the sweet spot if he wants. We can start off a little more sensitive, and if on the rainy season when you got thunder, if he wants to turn it down a little bit, he can, and then he can turn it back up. Normally these sensors are pretty good. It's going to have to be a lightning pretty much on top of your vehicle, on top of your boat to fire off the alarm. But yeah, so anyway, this is the alarm system, and this we do a lot of different types of boats, contenders, you name it. The best thing to do is protect the compartment in the side, and and get the alarm to fire off. When they open up this thing to unloosen up the screws from the inside and remove the equipment. This particular guy person went ahead and used a crowbar. He didn't bother trying to loosen up the equipment from the back. he went ahead and used a crowbar and kind of like messed up this whole thing. He might have even messed up that GPS too, who knows. But if you guys are interested and you have any type of boats and you keep them in the backyard of your house or the marina, give us a call. We come out. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This particular system, you can arm and disarm it anywhere in the United States from your phone. It's got geofence, so if the boat gets moved from here, he'll get an alert on his phone, also by GPS. Also, you can track it 24/7. It's $99 a year for the subscription, and you have to pay the first year right off the bat. They don't give you a free year or nothing like that. It's $99 a year, once a year. So you know the pricing already. It saves you an email and a phone call trying to get a hold of us for that information. What else can I tell you? The unit has lifetime warranty. This system was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.